So there's apartment noise, which we've all experienced, just normal noises you hear from living in apartments that are not constructed with soundproofing. Then there's these neighbors. They moved in, and from the day that they moved in, they've made loud banging noises, so loud that the noise travels down the wall into my neighbor's unit as well. It went on for a couple days. We thought probably because of the move, but then we realized they were just doing it all the time. It's disruptive. We can hear them banging on the walls or slamming the doors over our TVs. We sleep with 4 fans, 3 sound machines, earplugs, and I have a wall that I had built in my apartment bedroom that's soundproof, done by a professional company, but they can hit that wall so hard that I can actually hear the noise all the way out in the family room. We made a complaint, and as soon as we did that, the noise increased. It seems like every day at 6:30, they pound on the soundproof wall as loud as they can and wake me up out in the family room where I'm sleeping with a noise machine and I have the TV on. We don't know what we have to do. All I know is that we pay our rent on time every single month. We're clean. We don't cause any disruption to our community. We contribute to the community by being peaceful members of this community. So I don't know how many complaints we're going to have to do, if we're going to have to call the police, or what we need to do. But at some point, it has to stop. And I don't know if you heard that just now, but that's a soundproof wall. And you could still hear the knock through it. That soundproof wall is on the other side of the TV, which I flipped this bedroom around so that my head of the bed wasn't facing the soundproof wall. So I just switched it from what it normally was. And somehow they managed to hit things hard enough to make the noise go through and, like I said, travel down into the neighboring unit. That's just some of the example. It might not seem like much to hear a couple loud bangs here and there, but if I sat here for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you'd find that this banging occurs every few minutes. And again, that's through a $2,500 soundproof wall that I paid for out of my pocket and had a professional company do it. There we go again. That wall there is constructed with a soundproof drywall called Quiet Rock. There it goes again. It's the equivalent of 10 sheets of drywall. Behind it is soundproof insulation and anti-vibration caulk. Somehow they still managed to do that. There's more. A soundproof wall. It's crazy. I don't know if my phone's picking it up, but apparently they're yelling at each other now. I'll try to get a little closer. And it sounds like some may be coming from the bathroom. So I'm going to head over to the bathroom and try to get a little bit of that recording as well to show you what happens on that side. That was just my own bathroom door shutting. Oh, that should be enough. Just those few examples. Again, coming through a soundproof wall and constantly through the bathroom. Now, what's really annoying is the day after we made the complaint, when they would hear that me or my fiance were in the restroom in a private area, they would start to slam their drawers as hard as they could or pound on the wall, letting us know that they're aware of the complaint and that they're going to do whatever they want to do. So my fiance counted the one time she was in here, they slammed it as hard as they could, kind of scared my fiance, so she made a noise, she gasped or whatever. And so she sat there and counted. They took their drawer and slammed it 7 times, as hard as they could, while somebody's in a private room trying to conduct private business. There it goes again. So I'm not sure what we're going to have to do, but we're going to have to do something. That's why I'm uploading this to YouTube, so that I can share it with the management team and have a little bit of video and sound evidence for them. I'm going to head into the bedroom one more time so you'll hear my door open. And you're going to hear the bathroom door close. Heading into the bedroom again. You're going to hear my bedroom door close. Okay, so that's it for the noise that I'm making. And I'll just sit on my bed for another minute here. Again, facing the soundproof wall. Okay, that's probably long enough to give a good example. With my luck, the second I shut this off, it's going to start again. But I could pick my phone up any time of day or night and record it, and you'd hear the exact same thing.